Welcome back everyone to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do the jag effect loadout changes that Uncle Dane does in a lot of his videos to roll out faster at the start of rounds. First things first, you got to make certain that you have loadouts put together for this. You can't just do this with one loadout. So you need at least one with the jag and at least one with the Eureka effect. Make sure on the jag one that you have your other weapons put together that you want to be using for the round usually. That's usually just easiest. So I would say use this one. This is what I use. So I got the jag here, the Wrangler, and my shotgun. And then on this one, it's just your Eureka effect one. You're not going to be using this one to play. You're using this one to place teleporters and get buildings placed down out on the field. And then you're going to use this to teleport back to spawn. So let's get into the commands. Now, first things first, what you need to type in is bind quotation marks key. Here you are putting the key in that you want to bind it to. So say I put J right here. That is going to bind this command to key J. Whenever I press J, it's going to do this. I'm just putting key in there as a placeholder to show you that you need to place whatever key you want to bind this to. Also, you need to make certain to bind these to different keys, not all on the same key. It doesn't work like that. Okay, so the command is load_item preset, and then that is your command, and then the variable is 0. So 0 is your first item preset. It counts up from 0 for some reason. That's all I can say. And then the next one is 1. So that binds it to your second preset because we're counting up from 0. Next one is 2. That's your third preset. And your next one is 3. That's your fourth preset. Make sure to bind these all to different keys. Then you can press these whenever you are within a spawn zone. So, somewhere that's like blocked off for the enemy team. You can press it anywhere within there. It'll instantly respawn you with that loadout. Now, that's not all I wanted to teach you with this video. You can actually do this for changing classes as well. So as helpful as this is for changing your loadouts and rolling out faster, this is actually more helpful for changing classes really fast. That way you can save your team if you're on that last point and you need to swap classes to something more effective. Let's do that. So I'm just going to delete this part, and then the command is join_class. And then the variable is the class name. Now they aren't all named the way they are in game. So the first one is Scout. Our next one is Soldier. Our next one is Pyro. Our next one is Demoman. And then we have the weird one. Heavy is not heavy. It's heavy weapons. So you just got to do that and then it'll work. Then Engineer. And then Medic. And then Sniper. And then Spy. Now, there's a lot of keys to bind. So what I would recommend you do is that you bind this to your numpad. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put the key ones with numpad keys because they're a little bit weird variables to put in there and find. I'm just going to put those in the description and in the pinned comment for you, all set up for you already. So you can just copy and paste those in and it'll just be done for you. For the item preset ones, I will not be doing that. So you got to replace those with your own keys and decide what is best for you on those. And that's all. If you like this video, please leave a like and comment. And if you'd like to see more, just hit subscribe. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.